So the third metric that we will look at to investigate if your Facebook ads campaign is doing okay is by looking at the CTR. CTR is a very straightforward calculation. It simply means click-through rate. Click-through rate means the number of people who really click versus the number of people who sees the ad. Now CTR may vary for different objective to another, but what we're going to do here, we're going to take traffic as an example. So when you're using traffic, you're trying to drive people to click to your website. So if you're doing link click as your optimization, the CTR will be the number of people who click versus the number of people who see. So the benchmark that we are looking at here is 1% and above. So, let's put it this way. CTR may vary for different industries and all that, but eventually what we're trying to get here is we want to use a reasonable CTR for most businesses. So when it comes to 1%, what does it really mean? One person out of 100 who sees your ad will click. That is 1%. So if you're actually going lower than 1%, your advertisement is really not achieving the result that you want. Then you probably have to pay attention to find out what's wrong with your Facebook ads campaign. So how do we draw out CTR? Here again, Facebook do not make this permanent and visible in your Facebook Ads Manager. Same thing, we go back to the plus button, pull it all the way and type CTR and we will be able to bring the CTR out. So this is it. These are the three metrics that can help you investigate the effectiveness of your Facebook ads campaign.